Hello students, today we are going to see 12th standard business maths, third chapter, exercise 3.1, third question. Calculate the area bounded by the parabola y squared is equal to 4ax and its latest rectum. So, this is y squared is equal to 4ax is the right open. Now, we have to find out the area of the parabola. So, y is equal to root of 4ax. So, limit value x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a. 0 to a. X is equal to a. Now, we have to find out the area. What is the area? Area is equal to, we have to find out the two parts. So, we have to take as 2 into integral of 0 to a y dx. So, that is equal to 2 into integral of 0 to a root of 4ax into dx. Now, we have to substitute, simplify 2 into, this is 2, root 4, 2 is the constant and root a also constant. So, you have to take out 2 into root a is the constant and x we have to integrate x root x, that is x power 1 by 2. So, x power 1 by 2 integral of 0 to a into dx. Now, that is equal to 4 root a and then x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 integral of 0 to a. Now, we have to substitute the upper limit. This will goes into reciprocal. So, 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. So, that is equal to 8 by 3 root a. And this is a power 3 by 2 minus a power 0. So, leave it that one. So, a power 3 by 2. That a power 3 by 2 we have to consider as, that is equal to 8 by 3 into root a. Root 8 power 3 by 2 means this is a power 1 by 2. So, it is considered as a power 1 by 2 into a power 3 by 2. So, that is equal to 8 by 3 into a power 4 by 2. So, 2 to cancel. So, that is equal to 8 by 3 a square units is the answer for the parabola. Area of the parabola we have to find out y squared is equal to 4ax. The next question, find the area bounded by the line y is equal to x, the x axis and the ordinates x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. Let us find out what is the area bounded by the line. First, y is equal to x means you have to take us the table x, y. When x is equal to 0 means y is equal to 0. So, you have to take as x is equal to 1 means y is equal to 1. X is equal to 2 means y is equal to 2, like that you have to take. And then we have to represent in the graph. This is x axis and this is y axis. And we represent, that is x is equal to first 1. Y is equal to 1. This line. So, it is vertical line and x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. This is the second line. And what are the points we have to find out? This is x1, y1. So, x1, y1 you have to point here. And here 2, 2. So, we have to take us 2 here. And how to join this line? Like this. So, in between this x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, sorry, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, we have to take in between this area, we have to find out this area. Can you understand? This vertical line is x is equal to 1 and that vertical line is x is equal to 2. This is plotted lines, that is x is equal to 1, y equal to 1. This is x is equal to 2 and y equal to 2. Now, we have to find out in between this area, how to find out? Area is equal to integral of 1 to 2 y into dx. So, that is equal to, what is y? X. So 1 to 2 y is x into dx. So that is equal to x into means x integration of x squared by 2 integral of 1 to 2. Now we have to substitute the upper limit and the lower limit. This is 2 squared. So 4 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So that is equal to 2 is the LCM. 4 minus 1 3. So 3 by 2 square units. 3 by 2 square units. Can you understand, students? Next we will see the next question, fifth question. That is, using integration find the area of the region bounded by the line y minus 1 is equal to x and the ordinates x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 3. Now first we have to take the table y minus 1 equal to x. So put x is equal to 0 and y equal to 0. So here x is equal to 0 means y is equal to plus 1. Okay, and then y equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 1. Now we have to use the graph. First, this is x axis and this is y axis. First you have to draw the line of x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 means here minus 2. So this is vertical line because x is equal to minus 2. This is x is equal to minus 2. And then x is equal to 3. So you have to take us 3 right hand side. So this is x is equal to 3. And plot the points 0 to 1. So 0, 1. 0, 1. And minus 1, 0. So here minus 1, 0. So we have to draw the line like this. So what are the little bit we have to take this part. So this part and this part we have to take this one also, and in between this. So find the area of this up to this and this one and this one. You have to find the area of that. So based on this diagram, what you have to find out, that is area is equal to integral of this is minus 2 and this is minus 1 and this is 3. So first you have to take the left hand side. So that is minus 2 to minus 1 minus, because this is left hand side, so minus y into dx plus integral of minus 1 to 3, and that is in the right hand side, so you have to take as y into dx. Can you understand, students, how to take this? Area is equal to minus 2 to minus 1 and minus 1 to 3 we have to take. That is for right hand side. So let us find out how to find the area of the shaded region. Now a is equal to integral of minus 1 to 2 y into dx plus integral of minus 1 to 3 y into dx. So now y is equal to x plus 1, so that is equal to x plus 1 integral of limit minus 1 to 2 into dx. Here minus 1 to minus 2. You have to substitute minus 2. And then plus integral of minus 1 to 3 x plus 1 into dx. Now we have to substitute, that is find out the integral value. So we will get x squared by 2 plus x integral limit minus 1 to minus 2 plus x squared by 2 plus x, the limit value is minus 1 to 3. Now substitute the upper limits, so that is equal to minus 2 the whole square by 2 plus minus 2 here, and put the lower limit minus 1 the whole square divided by 2 plus minus 1. For this one only I will do. So first 2 to the 4, 4 by 2, 2. 2 minus 2 cancel. Here 1 by 2, that is equal to here minus 1, and minus 1 by 2, here minus 1 by 2, and minus 1, minus of 1 minus plus 1. So that is equal to 2 is the LCM, minus 1 plus 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 for this term. Again you have to find out for the another term. So x squared by 2, that is equal to x squared by 2 plus x, limit value minus 1 to 3, and now you substitute this one, 3 squared by 2 plus 3 minus of minus 1 the whole square by 2 plus of minus 1. So that is equal to 9 by 2 plus 3, here minus of 1 by 2 and minus 1, and that is equal to 9 by 2 plus 3 minus 2 is the LCM, and 1 minus 2, and minus 1 by 2, so minus of minus plus 1 by 2, so that is equal to 9 by 2 plus 3 plus 1 by 2. So that is equal to LCM is, again we will get, that is 2 is the LCM, here 9 plus 6, so 2 is the LCM, here 9 and 3 2s are 6 plus 1, so 15, 16, so that is equal to 16 by 2. Already we found out for the before one, we will get 1 by 2 plus 16 by 2, so that is equal to 17 by 2 square units. Can you understand, students? Okay students, thank you for listening. We will see the next sums in the next class. Thank you.